Let's talk about trees. Trees are a kind of data structure in computer science. They are made up of nodes that are connected to each other in a specific manner. Nodes? What's a node? A node represents an object. For example, you could have a tree to model a sports tournament, maybe an Open in Australia. Let's just call it the Australian Open. Here, Novak won the tournament by beating Murray in the finals, who got there by beating Fed in the semis. You can see that Novak got to the final by beating Rafa in the semis. Here, a node represents a participant in the tournament at a given stage of the tournament. Finally, Novak is the only participant left in the tournament and so is the winner. So, trees are nodes connected to each other in a specific manner. What is this specific manner? 1. All nodes that make up the tree should be connected. 2. No cycles. When are all nodes connected? If you can get from one node to another for any two nodes you pick, then the nodes are connected. Also, there should be no cycles formed. What's a cycle? A cycle exists if you can start at a node, go along a path, and reach the node you started at without going back along the path. Here are a few examples of things that aren't trees. This is not a tree because here we have a cycle. This violates the no cycles condition. You could start at node A, go to node B, node C, node D, and return to node A. This is a cycle violating the no cycles condition, and so this is not a tree. This is not a tree because there is no way you can get from nodes A and B to any of the other nodes. Here we have two trees, one consisting of just node A and B, and another consisting of nodes C, D, and E. A bunch of trees is called a forest. No, I'm not kidding. It's really called that.